Everyone, I hope you're all fine. So as part of our weekly theme, we're gonna prepare some fruit salad today. So before we start, make sure you wash your hands, okay? And for this activity, we need some material like a bowl, a knife, a chalkboard, a tray with some fruits. I chose the fruits I have home. So it's strawberry, banana, kiwi, and tangerine, and blueberries. So first, I wash all the fruits, I peel them, and then I got strawberry. So I'm gonna cut the strawberry in half, and then I will chop. Then carefully, I'm gonna take the chalkboard and put the strawberry inside my bowl. And then I will take some blueberries. I'll cut them in half. And I'll put them in a bowl. And grapes. So I'll take a few grapes, cut them in half as well. And again, transfer them to my bowl. And a kiwi, chop, 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 chop. And transfer again to my bowl. And a piece of banana. I cut in half. And I'll chop, 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 chop. And I'll transfer it to my bowl. There we go. We have our fruit salad. I hope you guys enjoy it.